Alright, I'm making a video to show what problems I'm having with the, I don't know, whatever this thing was called, the 8000 arcade machine emulator or something here. It's the one with the Mario picture on it. And currently what I have is, I just have this speaker, and you can hear the music coming through it, right? Got a 3.5-inch cable plugged in here, and it's going to the back of the monitor, right? Because I've got HDMI cable plugged in there, and I've got sound. And sound works fine, sound works great, connected this way. But what I really want to do is connect it into I want the sound to come from the back of the box over here to this connector. And that way I could more easily plug in a headphone jack or whatever. And so if I unplug from the back of the monitor, you hear the sound went off. And you can hear me trying to plug it in. I plug all the way in to the back of the arcade box now. So now it's plugged in back here. Going back to the speaker, and I get no sound. So that's what I'm working on, right? So, and I've gone into these sound settings, and yeah, I just don't even know what to put, right? I've picked a bunch of different things. No matter what I pick, it's not coming through that speaker. But this is what's interesting. So I'm going to quit. I'm going to restart the system. When I restart the system, when it boots back up, when it's going through that boot up mode, playing music with the, I don't know, splash screen or video that happens, I'll get sound. But then when it comes back to this emulation station, I no longer get sound. The other thing that I'll try to zoom in on up here in the top corner is there is a error message about some kind of audio emulator or something that's not found. So here, right before our restart, let me see if I can't get us closer in up here to the top left. And let's restart. Yep, video controller failed to find mixer elements. That's what it said there. Oh, 4 Raspberry Pis there. See? Now, I am getting sound, and it's from the speaker to the arcade console box. So it's working right now, but the minute it goes into the emulation station, it'll stop. Alright, everything loads up. And now there's no sound. So if I go into a game, and it still had that audio int error message up at the top, one of them. No sound. Okay, my other problem is I have this cloned Super NES controller, and it's it's currently plugged in to the USB port back here. And the issue is it's recognized, but it's not listed in any, it doesn't work in the games, right? So if I come here and I say input, yes, I'll hold a button down, and yeah, so you can see it says USB 2 access, so it sees it. Whoops. So I come up here and I say, I'll go through the motions, D-pad up, down, left, right, select start, select, And the buttons are all the correct, it's expecting A to be here on the right, it's expecting B to be at the bottom, expecting X at the top, Y at the left, and then I got a left shoulder button, I got a right one, and then I'm out of stuff. So I'll just hold down A here so it says not defined. So I guess I need to go through all of them, so I'll just hit them all, not defined, not defined. All the way through. I did not define on that one. And then I'll say yes, I'll take the hotkey. Alright. And you can even see it is working. I go up. I can select things here, say back, quit. So that the controller, appears to be working. What happened? Quit. Oh, I guess I just better hit this button. Okay, so here, again, using the controller. Controller is working. I should have gone the other way. Scroll over here to Super NES. Go down, unfortunately, down to the stupid S's. Probably should have gone the other way. Once again. To the least, because the one game I know where it's not working, the only one I've tried. I'm going to Super Mario World. It's the one the kids want to play. Alright. So, and even here now, although it's been working to navigate, it says, A to launch. And if I hit A, let's see if it does launch. Okay, it is launching. I don't know if the other buttons were working accurately. And even shows here USB 2-button gamepad configured in port 2. So it's like, hey, alright, this thing's going to work. I have no sound because I'm plugged into the console, that other problem, but we don't need sound. So here I'm pushing A, X, Y, B. I'll select start, select. So nothing is working. So I'll go ahead and use the arcade buttons, the arcade console that it came with. So now I think it's one to start. Here we go. So if I use the arcade stick, I can move up and down and I can select things, but again here, nothing. Won't work in the game. So I'm not sure why, even though it said it saw it and was configured, doesn't work. So those are the two problems. Plugging into the arcade console, I get no sound, but it does work if I plug the same cord into the monitor, and my USB Super NES controller's plugged in, it's configured, it even shows up when it's going to the game saying it's there, but doesn't work in the game. So I'm missing something. Please help.